Hey, it's Elton from the Elton and Pilar Walker team at Keller Williams, your real estate advocate, real estate advocates for the consumer. And we're starting to see still in our marketplace sales up year over year, prices up year over year. Our inventory is still a little bit low, but we are also seeing a tad bit difference in, like, we're getting properties that we're getting 20, 25 offers on them sometimes. And we are still getting multiple offers, to be honest, in some cases. But from 20 to 25 offers now maybe to like 2 offers on the property. We were also experiencing an awful lot of appraisal contingency removals, things like that, stuff that happens in a lot of bidding war type situations. We're personally not experiencing that as much as we were. And I will also say you will begin to see more properties right now with price reductions because it feels as if the market is cooling off just a little bit. Now, when I say cooling off, I do not mean that prices are going down or that there's less activity or that nobody's buying or selling right now. But what I'm specifically meaning by that is that we were just going like this, just straight up, which probably is not healthy for any marketplace. There needs to be a period to where it is beneficial for both buyers and sellers. Now, with low inventory and interest rates still being low, especially after the Fed meeting and where we're at with all that right now, it is conceivable that if a property shows well and the property is marketed properly and more importantly it is priced correctly, that home is going to sell, and it is going to sell, if not in multiple offers, it is going to sell at a very good and reasonable price. But by the same token, if you price your property too high and you're sitting on the market, in a market like this where homes are selling quickly, buyers are going to want to know what's wrong with the home. They're going to want to know why your home is sitting while everything else is selling. Keep that in mind when you're doing your pricing and your marketing strategy when you're speaking with your realtor. As in always, no matter what you're going through in your life, it is just a temporary condition because it truly is a great life. God bless. Thank you for listening. And if you need anything at all, feel free to call the Elton and Pilar Walker team or look us up on our websites, Facebook, etc., etc. We are here to help you. May God bless.